nakita ko nag-last day ka na. Natatakot sa akin, opa. Nag-overwhelm na. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pagiging parte ng TSM, ng Qatar, at sa support in terms of development ng mga partners. I'm very grateful na nakalala kita sa journey ko sa Qatar. And never know, see you soon, somewhere out there. And good luck sa plano sa buhay.
Hi Kuya Bert. Thank you so much sa lahat ng opportunity na binigay mo sa amin dito sa Villaggio Reserve. As a new partner, thankful kami sa lahat-lahat. Sa kabutihan mo, sa leadership mo, and I'm so proud na ikaw yung naging store manager ko. So, I wish you all the best and good luck sa new journey mo sa Canada. At least makakasama mo na yung family mo. Thank you so much for everything, Kuya. Mamimiss kita. Bye-bye.
Hi Kuya Bert. So ayun, thank you po sa learnings and everything. Thank you for encouraging us. Thank you for believing in us, on me. Hala ko di ko kaya, diba? Well, thank you. So enjoy your new journey. Good luck on your new journey as a Canadian citizen. Char. Susunod akas. Kaya naman. More afam. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Hi Kuya! Hindi ako magbababay sa'yo, pero gusto kong magpasalamat sa loob ng 5 months na nakasama kita. Marami akong natutunan. Marami din akong pwedeng i-share sa mga darating na mga new joiner na na-i-share mo sa akin. Na babaunin ko hanggang kahit saan ako mapunta. And ay, nako! Kaloka ka! Ba't kasi aalas? Ang hirap mag-beer. I love you, Kuya! Mwah.
Hi Kuya, kakagising ko lang po. Night shift, syempre. But kidding aside, I just want to say thank you for everything. Sobra akong grateful kasi all throughout my Starbucks journey, though there's a lot of ups and downs, but andiyan ka kasi, I mean, hindi mo kami pinapabayaan na mapariwara sa trabaho. I think, kung hindi siguro ako napunta sa Villaggio Reserve, I would have not learned everything that I have learned under you, you know? And your strictness, I think it's not really in a negative side. It's more on the positive side. Kasi yung pagiging strict mo sa trabaho, hindi naman siya dahil gusto mo lang or para manindak lang, hindi eh. Meron siyang magandang epekto sa mga staff mo, and dun kami sobrang natututo. Though yung takot na nararamdaman namin every time nakashift ka namin, I think challenge sa amin yun kung paano namin siya ma-overcome. And yun yung trinay kong i-overcome, though hindi pa yung nawawala syempre yung takot kapag ka-shift kita or kapag nandiyan ka sa shift, di ba? Pero ang kagandahan kasi is hindi mo naman siya pinipersonal. It's just all about work. So I think that's something that na mamimiss namin sa'yo. And good luck syempre sa bago mong journey. I have nothing but gratefulness to have met you. I have nothing but I have nothing but pasasalamat. Sobrang pasasalamat. Kasi when I started with Starbucks, di ko alam kung kakayanin ko ba. Di ko alam kung tatagal ba ako. But with your guidance and you as our mentor, our chef in charge, our store manager, lahat yun na-overcome namin kasi hindi mo kami iniiwanan sa baba. Bagkus, tinutulungan mo kami umangat kasama ka. And Kuya, I just want to say thank you. Ayokong umiyak. And thank you so much. And always remember that we have nothing but all for your great journey, great adventure, and good luck on your new endeavor.
Hi, Bitch. Good luck to your new journey. And thank you so much for everything. It's my pleasure to be your friend. It's your pleasure as well because you have a beautiful friend. And thank you so much for supporting us to our SMT journey. I'm just here waiting for you. Just call my name and I'll be there. I know we will get married and I'm waiting for it. Okay, love you so much. Mama, chup chup. Mwah.
Hi Kuya, first of all, I wish you all the best in your future. I have learned a lot of things during your time here. So you are good manager for us. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. Good luck. We miss you. Thank you.
We don't really understand why we laugh for a moment then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about
Hi, Gilbert. I just want to say thanks for your guidance and support. Thanks for being a great leader, and thanks for your leadership and vision during your era here in the company, Starbucks. Your dedication to the team and on the company. Good luck on your journey and enjoy life. Okay? Thank you.
This video is for Mr. Herbert. First of all, I would like to thank you for always supporting me, for always being there whenever I need. And all the things I achieved, I want to give those credits to you. Without your support, I cannot achieve these things. And yeah, best of luck for your future. I wish wherever you go, you have a successful life. And I'm going to miss you.
Hi Kuya Herbert. Good luck sa new journey mo. And we are blessed and thankful kasi ikaw yung naging manager namin. Kasi hindi ka lang manager sa amin, kaibigan ka din. And ramdam mo kapag isa sa amin is may problema or may hinadamdam. So, Kuya, mag-miss ka namin. Pero it's not a goodbye. Masakit sa McDo. Good luck and for sure magiging successful ka din sa amin. Thank you Kuya sa lahat ng tulong sa amin. And thank you din kasi nahasa yung art side ko dahil sa'yo. Thank you so much po Kuya.
Hello Herbert. Unfortunately, you've decided to abandon us. Sorry. I really just want to say how grateful I am. I never thought I would reach here, and it's all because of you. I'm just sad that you're not going to be here to see me through the end, but all in all I am pleased to tell you is that you are an inspiration to me. You saw something in me that not many that even I couldn't see. So for that, I know I'm sounding like a parrot, but thank you so much. And I know you're starting a new journey. I wish you all the best. And I know you're gonna do amazing things. And please don't forget us. Remember to visit us here in the desert. Alright? So Herbert, God bless you. And thank you so much. Ciao!
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the